Well, while uproar and heated discussions over the case continue, a disappointed and distressed victim has spoken to Times Now.
The victim has expressed strong disappointment over the way the company has handled the case. Further on, the victim has completely dismissed the claims of she being satisfied with the probe, as alleged by the managing editor of the magazine.
Let's go across now to Aditya, who's tracking this for us. Aditya, the big rebuttal really coming in from the victim, wherein she has said that she is not satisfied with what has been done on the part of the management of Tehelka.
Absolutely, not just a big rebuttal, but a very brave and a strong rebuttal by this brave victim who has rebutted to the management of Tehelka and also Tarun Tejpal, who have been trying to say that they are doing whatever they can. In fact, Tarun Tejpal going on to write a letter to the managing editor and the employees, going on to say that he is rescuing himself for 6 months. Now there is uproar across the activist community, across the journalists, all board, meet the print media or the electronic media. They're saying that how can a person charged with such sexual assault be punishing himself? He has to face the law. That is the legal criteria. Now at this moment we are being told that Shoma Chaudhary is the officiating editor of Tehelka, and she has ordered a meeting of the Tehelka employees that would be happening anytime soon. At this moment she is consulting all the advocates of Tehelka as to what could be the next move, but they are trying to have an internal probe. But this is a hush-up move by Tehelka to actually try and deviate the attention through this internal probe.